Today I want to share with you a little known secret about adding 20K per month to your income. Now, you can do this in less than 90 days, and once you know this secret, you'll actually understand why and see how simple it really is. So, what is the secret? Well, before I tell you that, I want to let you know that when you believe and internalize the secret, and execute on it consistently, you will add 20K per month or more to your business. If that doesn't seem like a lot to you, what would 10 or 20% more do to your business if you're already over 100K? Now, what is the secret? The secret is to use your mind and spend time in silence. To spend time in a guided state where all of our focus is in our imagination. And this may sound ridiculous, but Einstein's most incredible inventions, discoveries, were from him going into his mind and using his imagination. So instead of us spending time on our phone, flipping through Instagram, flipping through content, if we spend that time knowing that whatever we see, whatever we experience, and whatever we feel in our mind, we will create, then this becomes the highest ROI activity we can do. You can do it for 5 or 10 minutes a day, and that's it. And so simply what you'll do is find a comfortable spot, close your eyes, and drop your brainwave state. Now, you can do this first by taking a deep breath in and exhaling. And you're going to continue breathing at your own pace. And with every step, you slow yourself down. You slow down your breath. You slow down your mind. Allowing your brainwave states to slow down. In this state of calm, you can direct your attention on the one thing that you desire more than anything else. And you can do this now. What does it look like to feel, to see, and to experience this now? See the details, embody it in your deepest being, and smile. Because being here is the most valuable part of your day. You can come back here at any time, and you can do it every day. And when you see this and experience a slower, more focused state, you can direct this at your ideal version, your vision, your life's purpose. And when you can see it and feel it in detail. Seeing, noticing, experiencing everything. You can do it again and again and again. And that reality will appear. So it really is this simple. It doesn't have to be a new strategy or anything more than slowing down, removing all of the outside noise, and being here with yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Comment below what it was that you noticed when you finally did this. I'm super curious because if you had the experience that I think you had, you probably just had a breakthrough. And subscribe and share this with friends because my next videos are going to be even better.